Hello YouTubers, today we are back with a fresh and interesting topic for you. We are presenting you 5 best Anne Klein watches for women in 2021. Anne Klein might not be a solely watch brand, but it offers more than elegance and class at affordable prices. Anne Klein might not match the standard of Rolex and Omegas, but it offers a decent value of money. With everything telling you the time now, smartphones, tablets and appliances. Watches are worn for much more than useful. Women wear watches to suit their individual styles. They want one according to mode and occasion. To match your style and dressing, we are going to discuss the top 5 best watches for women Anne Klein has offered so far. So let's get started. Talking about the unboxing experience, you will get a combination of watch, bangle with enamel inlay. Bangle accented with 36 premium crystals and chain bracelet inside the box. Your first impression about the watch will be wonderful, due to this black glossy dial with gold tone hands with stick markers. If you look at the round dial, you will find Japanese quartz movement with the analog display. When it comes to band, it comprises brass with 7.5 inches in size and 6 mm in width. If you are a casual person who wears the watch all the time, then this watch might not be a better choice for you, because it's not water resistant. You need to stay away from water so that splashes don't get up on this, but it offers you scratch resistant feature and color doesn't fade away easily. As you will unleash the watch out of the box, it will definitely give you a feminine and aesthetic feel. Apart from the watch, the set will include a 1 premium crystal accented silver tone bangle and 1 silver tone bangle with fox pearl dangling charm. Talking about the silver tone sunray dial, this watch comes with 48 premium crystal on the bezel, and fox pearl accented markers will give this watch a luxurious feel. Moving to durability, there is nothing to worry about wearing this watch in water, because it's water resistant up to 30 meters. Silver metal band of the watch comes in women's standard size with a bandwidth of 10.5 mm. While choosing the color, you have 3 options: silver, gold and rose gold. Today in the modern watch industry and fashion trend, mostly watches come in large sizes. But some women prefer moderate-sized watches instead of heavier and large-sized watches. If you are a moderate-sized watch lover, then you are going to love this watch. Because this watch comes with a 30 mm stainless bezel size, women with a 7 inches wrist can easily wear it. Talking about the black dial with gold tone hands and markers make this watch extravagant. Outer ring set with 60 premium crystals around the markers is like icing on the cake. If we look at the band of the watch, it comes with the uncommon gold tone mesh bracelet accented with 16 clear premium crystal and has adjustable links. If you are a black lover, then you are going to love this watch because it has a color contrast of black and gold, which makes the watch more attractive. You can use this watch anywhere. Like the rest of the few Anne Klein watches, this watch is water resistant up to 30 meters. If you are a woman who doesn't like flashy prices of jewelry and you like simple yet elegant products, then this watch is made for you. This watch offers you a very sleek design according to your preferences. The minimalist design of the watch comprises black sunray dial with a diamond accented on 12 o'clock markings. As it's a dress watch, the dazzling black glossy dial will only enhance the beauty of your outfit. The watch has a Japanese quartz movement with an analog display. Moving towards the band, you cannot neglect the perfect color combination of the gold tone bezel with the black ceramic band. If you have a wrist around 6 inches, then you are okay. Otherwise, you need to buy extra lengths as it's a watch for small wrists. Anne Klein has offered the best bracelet watches for women and this is one of them. Affordable yet luxurious, making this watch an easy option to buy and you will not regret it once you have bought. If you don't prefer big dials of the watches, then you can go easily with it, because it's 30 mm dial. The minimalist design of the watch features a ribbed outer dial with Roman number markers which make the watch magnificent to wear. Silver tone dial offers a brushed inner dial with small hands. As the watch uses Japanese cross movement for accurate timekeeping, you will need a battery to power it. The battery is included with the watch. It can easily power the watch for 2 years. Water resistance is not necessary for women fashion watches. Still, the watch is water resistant up to 30 meters. You will find plenty of color options in the watch and you will choose according to your preference. Well, that was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know about your opinion in the comment section below. The links of these products are mentioned in the description box. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we will be back soon with another video.